Furniture hardware is one of the most important features of rustic furniture. The hardware is not only essential for functionality, but it also plays a crucial role in bringing the rustic look and feel of the furniture. The rustic style is known for its natural, warm, and inviting atmosphere, and the furniture hardware is the perfect accessory to complete the overall aesthetic of the furniture. In this video, we will explore the world of rustic furniture hardware. We will look at the different types of hardware available and the materials they are made from. We will also examine how to choose the right hardware for your rustic furniture and the importance of maintenance. Here is a list of various types of furniture hardware that can come in the rustic style. Number 1. Hinges. Hinges are one of the most important pieces of hardware for any type of furniture, including rustic pieces. Rustic hinges are often made from wrought iron or cast iron, which adds to the rustic charm of the piece. Hinges are typically used to attach doors to cabinets or other furniture pieces, and they come in a variety of styles and sizes. Number 2. Drawer pulls. Drawer pulls are another essential piece of hardware for rustic furniture. They are commonly used to open and close drawers on dressers, nightstands, and other furniture pieces. Rustic drawer pulls are usually made from hammered iron, forged steel, or copper and come in a range of styles, from simple and understated to elaborate and ornate. Number 3. Knobs. Knobs are similar to drawer pulls but are typically smaller and used for opening doors on furniture pieces such as cabinets and armoires. Rustic knobs are usually made from iron, steel, or other metals, and come in a variety of styles, from simple and rustic to decorative and ornate. Number 4. Corner braces. Corner braces are used to reinforce the corners of furniture pieces and are especially important in rustic furniture that is handcrafted and may not have the same level of durability as mass-produced furniture. They are typically made from wrought iron or cast iron and come in various sizes and styles. Number 5. Latches. Latches are typically used to secure doors on cabinets and other furniture pieces. Rustic latches are usually made from wrought iron or cast iron and come in a range of styles, from simple and functional to decorative and ornate. Here is a list of materials used in rustic furniture hardware. Number 1. Wrought iron. Wrought iron is a popular material used in rustic furniture hardware due to its durability and rustic appearance. It is a type of iron that is heated and shaped by hand, resulting in a unique and rustic look. Wrought iron hardware is typically black or dark brown in color and has a matte finish. Number 2. Cast iron. Cast iron is another popular material used in rustic furniture hardware. It is made by melting iron and pouring it into a mold, resulting in a sturdy and often ornate piece of hardware. Cast iron hardware is typically black in color and has a shiny or glossy finish. Number 3. Copper. Copper is another popular material used in rustic furniture hardware. It has a warm, natural look and is often used for drawer pulls, knobs, and other decorative hardware. Copper hardware can be polished to a shiny finish or left to age and develop a patina. Number 4. Brass. Brass is another popular material used in rustic furniture hardware due to its warm, golden color and durability. It is often used for knobs, drawer pulls, and other decorative hardware. When choosing furniture hardware for your rustic furniture, there are several factors to consider. Number 1. Style. The style of the hardware should be in keeping with the overall rustic style of the furniture. Hardware with simple and understated designs are often a good choice for rustic furniture. Number 2. Materials. The materials used in the hardware should be in keeping with the rustic look and feel of the furniture. Wrought iron, cast iron, copper, and brass are all popular choices for rustic hardware. Number 3. Functionality. The hardware should be functional and able to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Choose hardware that is durable and designed to last. Number 4. Size and scale. The hardware should be proportionate to the size of the piece of furniture it is being used on. Large and ornate hardware may overwhelm smaller pieces of furniture. Rustic furniture hardware requires regular maintenance to keep it looking its best. Here are some tips for maintaining your rustic hardware. Number 1. Cleaning. Clean your hardware regularly using a soft cloth and mild soap and water. Avoid using harsh cleaners or abrasive scrubbers that could damage the finish. Number 2. Polishing. If your hardware is made from copper or brass and has developed a patina over time, you may want to polish it to restore its shine. Use a copper or brass polish and follow the instructions on the label. Number 3. Lubricating. If your hardware starts to squeak or becomes difficult to use, it may need to be lubricated. Use furniture wax or oil to lubricate the hinge or latch. Furniture hardware is an essential component of rustic furniture, both in terms of function and style. The hardware adds to the rustic charm of the furniture and also makes it more functional and durable. When choosing hardware for your rustic furniture, consider the style, materials, functionality, and size and scale of the hardware. And be sure to maintain your hardware to keep it looking its best for years to come. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.